Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a review on this wig, you guys, and this wig Selena, okay? So when you first get it, it should look like this. If you guys watched my my most recent wig review, this wig is from the same line and the same company. This wig is from SENEGALESE. It's by the Stylist. I was looking at it a little weird because I was like, wait, did I get it in color? But then I remembered that I had ordered it in purple. So the exact color for this is OET1B purple, and her name is Selena. And you guys, it's so cute, so cute. Wait until the end. I had to play around with it a little bit. So this wig was not an exact fit. I don't want to say it's super big head friendly because in the front it was good, but on the sides the hairline was a little off. When I cut the lace off, it was just a little too small. But other than that, everything else was well. As you can see, you see like that area in the front, it's just not an exact match. Like I just needed it to be a little bit more forward, but that's okay. And then that line, do you guys see like in the center? Just that was bothering me. It looked like a bold spot. But I just went ahead and I used my Fit Me powder to put a little bit of powder on the lace just to warm it up, to give it a more realistic look. I put it all in the areas that would be visible, where the lace would be visible. So I just before I did the baby hair, before I did my makeup, I kind of wanted to see what I can do with it. I wanted it to have a little bit more volume. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that when it comes to curly hair, I like big, I like volume, I like it to be really popping, okay? It did shade a little bit, and then it did tangle a bit as well, but it did come with pre-plucked baby hair. I still had to cut it a little bit shorter. I felt like it was too long. I just wanted it to, trim it a little bit. But you guys, just a quick fact, as I did my baby hair, this wig comes in numerous other colors, really pretty other colors. So like, check it out. You don't have to get purple if you don't want to, but this purple was so pretty. It was super subtle. You know what I mean? you know what I mean? I'm just kidding. Okay, so just putting my fingers through it, just trying to get it like a little poofy. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I will say I don't think this is going to be a super long-term wig because when it was curly, it was a little tangly. But then I was like, wait, what if I brushed it out? And that's exactly what I did. And look at the curls. See, I was like, I already knew it was going to look good. So I started just brushing the whole thing out, and I kind of liked how it looked. It was a little bit more subtle, wavy kind of curls, and I think it looked really pretty with the purple. You guys, it's funny because the next wig that I'm going to do a review on is purple as well, but a different kind of purple. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my channel. I'm going to be posting one video every day for the next 3 weeks while we are quarantined, okay? I hope you guys are staying safe and sound, but check out my videos. So I'm just brushing it out, trying to get it as fluffed up as I possibly can. As I was doing this process, the wig did shed a little bit, and like I mentioned previously, it did tangle up. But I will say, you guys, this line by the Stylist, the invisible lace, it's a good line. I see the vision, I see the purpose, and like the lace is not bad at all. As soon as I put my powder, it's perfect shade. I really like it. Like, I appreciate it. I think the hair quality is pretty decent, and yeah, I think the line overall is pretty decent. Just that line in the front is bothering me so much. It just looked like a bold spot, you guys. But look at the curls. They look fresh. They look really pretty. You know what I mean? It doesn't look too synthetic-y. It looks soft. And that's right. I went and I came back. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. All the info about this hair will be in the description box. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kisses, bye.